Most push-ups don't build muscle, they build disappointment. Let's fix yours in 2 minutes. If your push-up looks like this, you're not training chest, you're just moving air. First rule, lock your body. Squeeze your legs together like you're trying to crush something between your thighs, tighten your glutes, brace your abs like someone's about to punch you. Now your body should feel like one solid plank. Not a banana, not a bridge, not a broken chair. If your hips drop, your chest gets weaker. If your hips rise, you're cheating the rep. Right now, half of you just checked your hips. Hands just outside shoulder width. Now, listen carefully. This is where most people ruin it. Chicken wing elbows, that doesn't build strength, that builds stress. Instead, keep your elbows going back at about 45 degrees. Imagine you're trying to scrape your arms past 2 walls beside you. You'll instantly feel more chest, more control, less shoulder pain. Now, slow it down. No bouncing, no dropping like a sack of potatoes. Take 2 seconds down, pause just above the floor, then push the ground away like it offended you. Breathe in on the way down. Breathe out as you explode up. Can't hold this yet? Put your hands on a bench or table. Same form, easier angle, same results. Fix your body line, fix your elbows, fix your control, and your push-ups will finally start working for you instead of against you. Like, subscribe, and I'll upgrade your next exercise next.